I live in Zakarwadi. I go to Jilla Parishad Higher Primary School, Zakarwadi. My mother's name is Tamiza. My father's name is Anis. My father is a farm worker. My mother is a housewife. I have no sister. I have no brother. My friend name is Khushi. She is a 12. She lives in Zakarwadi. She goes to Jilla Parishad Higher Primary School, Zakarwadi.
My name is Shubhangi. I am 9. I live in Zakarwadi. I go to ZP Upper Primary School, Zakarwadi. My mother's name is Jyoti. My father's name is Pandurang. My mother is a farm worker. My father is a medical worker. My sister name is Vaishnavi and Kanchan. My brother's name is Krishna. I have 2 sisters. I have 1 brother. My friend's name is Tanvi. She is 9. She lives in Zakarwadi. She goes to